what we're trying to do in a 2-year effort already is trying to understand how you take changes in communications, in high tech, and in what consumers do to relate to brands and to entertainment and to communications, and take a practical approach to understand how it impacts basically the telecommunications industry, the media industry, from TV stations and large media groups to small internet entrepreneurs, and also brands, big brands, and how basically the marketing departments create their touch points with their clients. The research is very interesting in that it's not only taking the high-level approach, but going to the revenue generation and to how organizations have to change to face these challenges. And basically, there are two dimensions to this change. The first one is how deep the change is for your industry, and the second one is the speed of change. What we do is work with companies that want to understand how these two dimensions impact their organizations. And it's funny how these kind of broad and abstract concepts go down to earth and make themselves very apparent in the relationship these industries have with related industries, and how the revenue generation process in the next few years, business models, how customers are going to react, the things that we can do and we cannot, and basically the speed of change impact the two levels in organizations. First one, organizational change, and what you need to do to adapt. If you take the example of TV stations and TV companies, I mean, they need to go to lean operations and to change their vision of what is entertainment. If you go for telcos, they basically need to change completely their offering because they are going to move in margins of 5%, and what they want to do is move into 35% margin. So basically what we do is create workshops very practically oriented and very focused on the participants to help them first understand how these changes impact their business, and secondly, kind of build a road of innovation in terms of what can be the new areas of improvement in terms of business models, and also how to understand better their customers.